Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Nokia device to TCL TAB 10 Max. Firstly, you need to access Play Store on both devices, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Following that, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on Nokia. Now select Receive on TCL and Send on Nokia smartphone. From here you need to tap on all of those type of dots and select Send. This way you will choose all of those files and then transfer them. It will take a long time to do it now, so I will go into Photos, click on one of them, choose Send and tap on Got it. As you can see now, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code using this scanning icon on TCL, selecting Allow and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive button. As you can see, after a while my picture was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!